Today we're going to show you a typical sort of application that you use Cemix Multicrete or Cemix Maxcrete for. We've got two products here. There's Cemix Multicrete and Maxcrete. Both of these products are very easy to use. Use them straight from the bag. Where to use Multicrete and Maxcrete? Multicrete is a general purpose concrete which you'd use on footpaths and driveways and those sort of jobs. Maxcrete is a high strength concrete which you'd use on highly trafficked areas. Application of Multicrete and Maxcrete. Open the bag up. And pull the concrete into the wheelbarrow. Okay, once you've got it in the wheelbarrow, you'll need to put some water in with it. Under ideal conditions, a bag of 25 kg would require about 2.5 litres of water. Make sure you thoroughly mix the concrete. Use the mixed concrete immediately, don't allow it to stand for too long. You can see that's coming good now. Look. When it's like that and that consistency, it's ready to use. Right, once you've done that, you can place the concrete. Upon placing the concrete at the site, work sufficiently to remove air voids, if any, and compact well with a tamping rod working into all areas. Level off the corners and finish flat with a wooden float for coarse finish or a steel trowel for a smooth finish. And you'll get it up to its full strength. And that would be your driveway done. Just keep the surface damp for the first 7 days. No trade qualification is required, a DIY skill rating of 2 out of 5.